Stop scrolling. This no-bake cheesecake in a jar looks like a catered dessert, but it's ridiculously easy. Thick creamy layers, crunchy cocoa pretzel base, and a salted miso caramel swirl that tastes expensive. Here's what makes this one different: mascarpone+labneh for a thick, tiny cream, no gelatin, and a quick salted miso caramel that swirls like a ribbon instead of turning runny. Start with the base, crushed pretzels, and chocolate cookies. The pretzels add salt and crunch, and the chocolate crumbs make it taste like a real dessert crust. Pour in melted butter and mix until it looks like damp sand. If you pinch it and it holds together, you nailed it. Now the fastest caramel ever. Melt butter with brown sugar until smooth and bubbling. No thermometer, no stress. Add the cream slowly. It'll bubble up. Give it a minute or two, and it turns glossy and pourable. Off the heat, whisk in white miso and vanilla. It doesn't taste savory, it tastes deeper, like the caramel has secrets. Whip heavy cream to soft peaks, billowy, not stiff. Soft peaks keep the filling creamy instead of dense. Beat mascarpone with labneh, powdered sugar, lemon zest, vanilla, and a pinch of salt just until smooth. Don't overmix. Mascarpone can loosen if you go too long. Fold in the whipped cream into additions. You're aiming for thick, spoonable, and silky. This is what makes the layers look clean in the jar. Layer it up, crumble cream, then a spoon of caramel and a quick swirl. Keep the glass edges clean, just wipe the rim, and it instantly looks professional. Cover and chill at least 4 hours overnight is even better. That chill time is what turns it into a thick, scoopable cheesecake texture. And look at that thick, creamy, and not runny. For the full recipe, measurements, and extra tips, you'll find the link in the first pinned comment or go to nobakedessertslab.com.